How to find your page description settings on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to find your page description settings on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite. Here you will find these three lines in the top corner. Click on it and then scroll down until you find this one, pages. Click on it and then click on your page, and now just click edit profile, this one here, and as you see here you can find the description settings. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.